everybody makes mistakes, and it depends on what you do with your mistakes and your experiences that you can actually grow. And that's basically what it is. So for me, today was great, honestly, because I've been making a lot of habits since we started. I don't know how many. I know you count yours. I haven't counted mine. But certainly for me, the LiYA SMS is I cannot do it. So yesterday we have something at home, and then I didn't do it at night, which is when I do it before going to bed. I couldn't wake up, like I couldn't sleep properly. So I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning and said, no, I need to go do it. Otherwise I'm unsettled. So that's how deep these things go, because it's part of your routine, it's part of what you do. So there are many habits that we have been working with you. And there are 3 that are essential for me. So one is the lotus gratitude in the morning and night. My day doesn't start without it, and it doesn't end without it. So that keeps me into gratitude and following positive thinking and acting all day. The next thing is my chinmay, my mudra.
Beautiful.
So if I'm getting upset, if I sense that something is off, or if I sense that something I didn't like, or I'm getting impatient, I just go and I remember that I'm free, and I'm just like in the present moment. So it really grounds me to be in the present moment.
I'll just intervene, because when you do this, you are using the body. See, I can say Olga, and I can say Olga, then I say Olga. So there are 3 ways to communicate, and this is the 55%, and that's why it has a profound effect. It's neuroscience. So you're telling this is just a signal or an instruction to the brain. Hey, listen, I'm in charge. Or in other words, you're in charge. The brain number 3, that is the conscious mind. Hey, you are in charge. The brain number 1, oldest reptilian brain, you're not in charge. You are supposed to listen to me. So this gives that instruction. And we always say the God is within you. This is the God. The God is here also. The God is second also. God is third also. But this one, master, and this one is the slave. So we must know how to use it. I use this tremendously nowadays. Tremendously. Because I'm catching every small mistake. I'm telling you, even a little body ache also. So the whole idea, I'm telling everyone, is we have a potential of being in gratitude of 86,400 times. That's the potential. Okay? That many seconds are there. I heard one story. Now, I think if I remember the story recently only by Papaji. So he was sharing the story that suppose, I'm asking everyone, suppose you have, not suppose, assume you have $86,400 in a day. Okay, I'm asking everyone to think now. $86,400 or 400 pounds, 86,400 pounds for the people in London, or 86,400 rupees in India. Chalo, okay? You have this money with you. Now suppose 10 rupees is lost, or $10 is lost, or 10 pounds is lost out of that. What would you do, or how would you feel? So $86,390, 300 or pounds or rupees you have remaining with you, but 10 rupees has been lost. Now,
okay.
yeah, you will say it's okay. So I want everyone's answer. I'm sure it'll be okay. Yes or no? It'll be okay, because 10 rupees or $10 or 10 pounds is lost. Do you go on worrying about that $10, 10 pounds, this thing? No. So the question here is, why do we worry? If one person tells us you're not good, you're not nice, you did this wrong, you did this not good, why do we worry about that? When you have so much 86,390 remaining with you, why do we focus on that 10 rupees which is lost or which did not go our way during the day? So keep that in mind, that focus on what you want. Not some things will happen in the day which is not your way. he shouted, she shouted, she did not do it. Yes, some things will happen. But let's not focus there. Where you focus your energy, attention is where the energy goes. Where the energy goes is what will expand. So what you just said is, this reminds us not to go focus on the 10 rupees lost and to focus on $86,390. Yes?
Yeah.
Third point you were saying.
And the third point is catharsis.
Catharsis.
So I think that it is so liberating. So it doesn't pollute your mind. It doesn't allow your mind to keep those little things. You just release them, they're gone, they're done, and they're part of the past, and you don't even think about them anymore. So those are like three super powerful for me. So I use many. I use TRS. I use the reframe in your mind. I use all. Like I would say that I use. If I don't use them all, I say I'll use 99% of them. But those three for me are ground rules. They're like you can't just pass a day without it. So sometimes something is this tiny thing. Just go do it. Do it faster, and then you don't even have to think about it. Let the paper hold the anger, get the irritation, get the paper just to manage that. So I tell it to my kids too. I say, okay, I teach them, I say, okay, this is how you do it. But they don't believe me. They're like, okay, fine. Eventually you will.
No.
Anyway, so managing, you know me. I'm only in gratitude to you for everything that you have done with me and for me and for this year. So
you can add one more thing that I think I told you once, I don't remember, but verbal catharsis, speaking to yourself.
I did it.
Yeah. So that you use more and more often. That is wonderful. This is written down, of course, during the night, and when you're walking or having a shower or when you're just doing nothing, you just keep on speaking to yourself, and you are your best friend, and there cannot be better friend than you. One is speaking and the other one is listening inside you. It's a beautiful process. I mean, in these retreats, I make people experience it very, very deeply. But whenever we are having retreat, that's the time maybe. Till such time they can expect.